Get ready to have your mind blown. Blackrock, one of the wealthiest companies on the planet, has its sights set on XRP Ripple. But what's really happening? Behind closed doors, they're reportedly snapping up trillions of dollars worth of XRP, with plans to send its value soaring to unthinkable heights. Intrigued yet? Some experts predict XRP could skyrocket to a jaw-dropping $35,000. Sounds wild, doesn't it? Tired of fake gurus who claim to be expert traders but never trade live? I trade live on the second largest crypto exchange, where everything is transparent and results can't be faked. For over 440 days, I've consistently closed every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $34,000 in profits, with only 4% drawdown. Verified results, not empty claims. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in my profile and start copying my trades for free today. Let's cut through the buzz and uncover what's fact and what's fiction. Buckle up. This is where it gets interesting. The hype around XRP is hitting new heights, and here's why. Rumors are swirling that Blackrock, the world's biggest asset manager, may be setting its sights on an XRP ETF. If true, this could be a seismic shift for the crypto world. Investors, analysts, and enthusiasts are buzzing with predictions of explosive price action. Crypto influencer Steph summed it up perfectly in a tweet. BlackRock wants your XRP. When they move, we're all riding the wave to the moon. Meanwhile, crypto sensei stoked the fire. BlackRock, XRP mass buying incoming. But how much truth is there to these claims? And why does an XRP ETF matter so much? Let's dive in and break it all down one piece at a time. Picture this. You're at a grocery store, but instead of picking individual fruits, you grab a pre-made fruit basket filled with apples, bananas, and grapes, all neatly packed for convenience. That's basically how an ETF works. But instead of fruit, it's a basket of assets like stocks, gold, or even cryptocurrencies. Now imagine an XRP ETF, a financial product that lets investors trade XRP as easily as buying Apple or Tesla stock. No need to deal with private keys, crypto wallets, or navigating exchanges. It's a game changer for traditional investors, especially institutions, offering a simple, regulated way to access XRP. And here's the kicker. BlackRock, the financial titan managing over $9 trillion in assets, is eyeing this space. BlackRock is making waves in the crypto world. After rolling out Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, rumors are swirling that an XRP ETF could be next. Industry insiders like ETF shop president Nate Gerasi are buzzing with speculation, and BlackRock isn't alone in eyeing XRP. At least 15 asset managers, Grayscale, Franklin Templeton, WisdomTree, and Bitwise among them, have already filed for an XRP spot ETF. With the SEC now reviewing these applications, recent regulatory shifts could finally tip the scales in favor of approval. As John Squire's tweet puts it, the excitement is building. The buzz. BlackRock might channel $9 trillion into XRP. Whether or not that figure holds true, the potential ripple effects, pun intended, are massive. For now, the biggest roadblock to an XRP ETF has been regulatory uncertainty, but that might not be for long. Ripple's long-running legal battle with the SEC might finally be nearing a turning point. The SEC, which has accused Ripple of selling unregistered securities, appears to be stepping back from its appeal. This has sparked speculation that XRP could soon be classified as a commodity, on par with gold or oil. Such a move would free XRP from restrictive securities regulations, opening the door for ETF approvals and reshaping the crypto landscape. The ripple effects, pun intended, could be massive. If XRP is cleared as a commodity, it could unleash a tidal wave of institutional investment, much like the Bitcoin ETF boom earlier this year. And then there's CryptoGeek's viral tweet claiming BlackRock is buying $20 trillion worth of XRP. While wildly exaggerated, it captures the growing sentiment that institutional money is ready to dive into XRP. An XRP ETF could be the game changer. BlackRock's involvement alone would inject legitimacy, liquidity, and a flood of institutional capital, transforming XRP from a speculative gamble into a mainstream financial asset. While nothing is set in stone, one thing's for sure. The conversation around XRP is heating up. If these ETFs get the green light, what we've seen so far could be just the tip of the iceberg. Which begs the question, what's next for XRP? With giants like BlackRock eyeing the space and an XRP ETF potentially on the way, the crypto world could be on the brink of something massive. But just how massive? Let me tell you, these predictions will blow your mind. Top analysts are weighing in, and their forecasts are shaking up the XRP community. From steady 3 targets to jaw-dropping projections of $10,000 or even $35,000, the buzz is real. Some call it wishful thinking, but others see history and institutional interest aligning to suggest XRP is on the brink of something huge. Levi's tweet captured the moment perfectly. This is your final opportunity. Random Crypto Pal didn't hold back either. XRP parabolic scenario. It's imminent. But what's behind the buzz? One of the loudest XRP advocates, Greg, has charted an ambitious price path, predicting a possible $70 target based on historic trends and percentage models. He's confident XRP will hit double digits this cycle and could even soar into triple digits in the next. This optimism echoes XRP Captain, who boldly claims $100 is within reach for Ripple's crypto. And then there's Dark Defender, taking things up a notch. Using XRP's explosive 2017 bull run as a guide, he envisions a jaw-dropping target of $333 if history repeats itself. According to his analysis, XRP could be gearing up for a rocket-like ascent once it breaks key resistance levels, mirroring its explosive growth in past cycles. But not everyone's buying the hype. Critics point out that at $280 per XRP, the market cap would balloon to $1.6 trillion, an astronomical figure that feels far-fetched in today's crypto landscape. Enter Dark Defender, who dismisses the market cap argument as a myth, insisting it doesn't limit XRP's price potential. Then we have the wild cards, Crypto Barbie and Random Crypto Pal, who boldly predict XRP could skyrocket to $5,000 or even $35,000. Crazy? Maybe. But their reasoning hinges on XRP's potential role in global liquidity, institutional adoption, and even central bank digital currencies. Could XRP really redefine the market? Only time will tell. Let's dive into Ripple's game-changing partnerships. We all know strategic alliances are key to XRP's future, but what's brewing behind closed doors is bigger than anyone expected. Ripple's web of connections and the heavyweight institutions backing XRP are nothing short of jaw-dropping. Once you see how deep this goes, you'll realize why XRP's next move could be monumental. Ripple's global expansion isn't just progress, it's a revolution. By integrating on-demand liquidity into regions like Brazil, Mexico, India, and Southeast Asia, Ripple is doing more than securing partnerships. It's laying the groundwork for XRP to become the backbone of a new financial era, replacing outdated banking systems with a lightning-fast, real-time solution. For decades, the backbone of global banking has been SWIFT, connecting over 11,000 financial institutions. But here's where it gets exciting. XRP has already been successfully tested on SWIFT's network. Banks aren't just aware of its potential, they're exploring how to make it part of their system. Picture this. Cross-border payments that once took days and came with hefty fees now happen instantly with XRP. No middlemen, no delays. As XRP Dragon famously said, XRP will bridge all the money, and it's not just hype. If Ripple fully integrates into this infrastructure, XRP evolves from a crypto token to the driving force behind the future of banking. Imagine a world where institutions adopt XRP at scale. Demand for the asset could skyrocket like never before. The crypto market thrives on supply and demand, but unlike retail traders chasing short-term profits, banks and payment providers require deep liquidity to handle trillions in transactions. This creates consistent buying pressure on XRP, setting the stage for significant price surges. Ripple's expansion into markets like Brazil, Mexico, India, and Southeast Asia is just the start. Financial hubs like Dubai, Japan, and Singapore are already embracing Ripple, positioning XRP as the ultimate asset for global liquidity. The real game changer will be the tipping point when banks and institutions rely on XRP as the default. At that moment, we might witness a price rally that redefines the market. And make no mistake, the whales are watching. Behind the scenes, they're quietly accumulating millions of XRP, preparing for what could be the biggest surge yet. Why does this matter so much? Because it's a massive bullish signal that could shake up everything. The clues are everywhere. The smart money is quietly making moves. And if history has taught us anything, it's this. When the whales start swimming, something big is about to surface. In just the past 48 hours, XRP whales have snatched up 150 million coins. It's a clear sign that major players, institutions, and high net worth traders are gearing up ahead of a potential rally, Ali Martinez shed light on this spike in whale activity, fueling speculation about what's next for XRP. Whale accumulation is like the calm before the storm in the crypto world, a quiet yet powerful signal of what's to come. These big players aren't impulsive. They move with precision, buying at dips and positioning themselves for the next big wave. When whales scoop up massive amounts of crypto and hold, they create scarcity. With less supply on exchanges, prices are primed to rise as demand starts to outpace availability. The magnitude of this recent accumulation hints that these whales know something big is brewing. It could be a game-changing regulation, a massive adoption milestone, or the next explosive bull run. But here's where things get exciting. Once retail traders catch wind of whale activity, the dominoes start to fall. Smaller investors pile in, fear of missing out takes over, and demand shoots up, triggering a price surge. It's a familiar pattern in crypto. Whales make their moves in stealth, buying while prices are low, and when the market catches on, the rally erupts. Analysts believe this trend could trigger a major shift in market sentiment. Historically, when whales start accumulating, it's often the calm before a massive price breakout. With XRP playing a growing role in global finance, partnering with banking giants, participating in SWIFT trials, and powering on-demand liquidity services, the case for a long-term rally is becoming hard to ignore. Liquidity is another game-changing factor. As whales lock away more XRP in their wallets, the circulating supply on exchanges shrinks. This creates a supply crunch, making it tougher for traders to buy at current levels and setting the stage for explosive price surges when demand spikes. If these whales are in it for the long haul rather than quick flips, it's a massive vote of confidence in XRP's future potential. With institutional demand rising and XRP deeply embedded in global financial systems, the whales might be positioning themselves for the next wave of adoption. And if they're right, XRP's value could be on the verge of something extraordinary. The signals are all around, and history often has a way of repeating itself. If the trend stays on course, XRP might be gearing up for something huge, and those paying attention now could be ahead of the pack. So, what's your take on this? Are you feeling bullish on XRP Ripple token? What are your predictions? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And that wraps up today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share your insights or questions below, and most importantly, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next.